Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essential prerequisites. Make sure your app, GPU driver, and operating system are up to date because mismatches break neural processing. Once done, back up your preferences so you can restore custom settings later, and then perform a soft reset of the application to clear transient state. This first actionable step often resolves plugin handshake errors. If the neural filters still fail, proceed to the next diagnostic layer without reinstalling yet. You'll save time and data. You now dive into the complex middle steps. Monitor GPU and RAM usage when you trigger a neural filter because insufficient memory causes silent failures. Then open the application logs and search for keywords like shader, model load, CUDA, or inference errors to pinpoint the failure stage. Next, disable third-party plugins and test in safe mode to eliminate conflicts. If a log shows model load timeouts, increase cache sizes or clear the model cache. These targeted actions reveal why processing stalls. You finish by reinstalling the neural models and verifying their integrity because corrupt model files produce errors even when the UI looks fine. Then test using a default sample image and a recommended GPU profile to confirm baseline operation. If that works, your issue was input or profile related. Finally, perform a clean reinstall of the app only if needed, and make sure to capture detailed logs beforehand. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, provide logs and exact GPU/driver versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.